Hello there, welcome. I'm glad you found us and thanks for visiting the website. This is Simon Campbell. I'm the host and organizer of Round the Clock Trader events. We do a lot of webinar events, the online summit that you may have already attended. And I'd like to tell you about the Round the Clock Trader Live, which is a one-day show and conference which we organize once a year in London. This will be the third year of the event taking place. It's great fun. It's a great opportunity to come along and meet all our expert speakers face to face and not only learn lots of new techniques and ideas and strategies for your trading, but also be able to check out the latest products, the latest services, and the latest educating companies there who will be on hand to help you. So what is the RTC live show? As I said, it's a one-day conference. We have 2 floors with 6 seminar theatres holding seminars and workshops throughout the day. Fantastic speakers. They are all real traders themselves, but not only that, they're fantastic at imparting that information to you. So they'll be sharing their stories with you, how they trade, what they trade, why they trade, and giving you the sort of education that normally you would pay hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars or pounds for. So you can get that short-term trading education at the event, test out lots of the new products, of course meet other traders as well. Great fun to meet others who are in the same position as yourself, looking to get a handle on the portfolio, understand how you want to trade, and form some new friendships, which is all important for trading. As you know, it can be a lonely business out there, so it's good to have one or two other people to bounce your ideas off, bounce your charts off, and just get an idea of what they're feeling about the markets or a particular trade. It's happening on Saturday, 23rd of March 2019. We hold it on a Saturday because many people do work full-time jobs as well as being traders. So this gives them the opportunity. Of course, all the markets are not open on a Saturday, so live trading we will have examples of, certainly some forex markets, live trading, but we think that the Saturday is the best day for it because everybody has the opportunity to come and attend. So it's at the Grand Connaught Rooms, great, lovely venue in the centre of London, right beside Covent Garden and Holborn. Covent Garden and Holborn being the 2 tube stations. We're open from 9 in the morning right through to 6. The next event on the 23rd of March 2019, you can see one of the main theatres here in this photo. Is a very auspicious venue with chandeliers and high ceiling and plenty of room for everybody to get to watch the seminars. This is Charlie Burton at Easy Trader giving you a rundown in this presentation. I believe this was his update on his trading challenge, where he took a $10,000 account, turned it into $100,000 in 2 years. So fantastic face-to-face learning, of course, it's a wonderful opportunity. What topics will be covered on the day? Technical analysis, of course, forms the bedrock of all trading. The ability to look at a price chart and understand the likely direction of the price based on its past performance. So you'll have an understanding of what sort of indicators are available, what different types of charts will tell you, how to set your chart up to tell you the signals and alerts that you want it to tell you, and other forms of technical analysis there, so cloud charting, moving averages. It's all covered. We will have speakers talking on nearly every single technical analysis topic on the day. Trading systems and strategies, we'll be looking at many of these for different profiles of traders. So if you are someone that wants to trade 5 or 10 minutes a day and just set up a system and leave it, check it again in the evening, for example, you can learn that system there. Or if you're someone that wants to spend a good part of the day scalp trading, going in and out the busy markets looking for small profits, then you can learn how to do that as well. So it's all covered. Choosing what to trade, of course, you might want to trade gold or forex or stocks. Trading psychology, the most important above all, once you've learned all the strategies and theories, understanding how you yourself react as a trader is one of the key challenges for traders. It's what holds most people back from being a profitable trader, I would say, in comparison to someone who is simply trading. So that's the difference. Anybody can trade, not everybody can be profitable over the long term. So we'll be looking at that on the day. Fundamentals, this is the key political, geographical, everything that can weigh on a price of a stock or a country's currency that is out with your control but can have major impacts on the price. Any political decisions to change interest rates, of course, is the most commonly featured event. So you have an understanding of how to trade these events and how to understand how these fundamental news items can affect your trades. We'll look at all the different software tools, well, not all of them, but certainly the ones featured by the speakers that can help you track your trades, help you manage your portfolio, help you set up trade alerts that will alert you to your mobile phone. And of course, you'll get to meet lots of different mentors and education providers as well, who will be on hand to guide you even into what kind of education you want to look for. Do you need a mentor, a one-to-one mentor, or perhaps maybe just being part of a group, a trading group, will be enough for you to learn on the. As you can see here, we have seminars running. There'll be a full rundown of all the speakers provided to you in your event pack that you will get before the event. And of course, on this website, we will be featuring live mini webinars with all the speakers where they will be introducing what they're going to be talking about on the day. So keep in touch with the website, look at these new video messages that will be posted by the speakers in advance of the event so that you can be ready and understand what you're going to see on the day. The more preparation that you can do before this event, the more you will get out of it, I would say, on the day. There's me, that's me at the desk at our last event with my wife, Alexandra, who was helping to manage the registrations and event management. I'd have been lost without her, so we'll look forward to meeting you next time when you come along on the day. What you will find at the RTC Live show, as opposed to what you won't find, just spotted the typo. What you won't find are get-rich-quick schemes. We're not looking to push any fantastic schemes that are going to promise you driving a Ferrari in 12 months' time, sitting on a beach, trading your stocks, having given up your full-time job. It doesn't exist. I know there's a huge industry built up round about it, which uses these hard sales marketing techniques. You won't find that here. Our community is based around real traders who are in the markets. They have realistic expectations and they understand that nothing comes without good hard work. And that work is normally takes the form of education and preparation and forming a good understanding of a particular trade setup, trade plan, and the asset that you are trading. So the more you learn, the more you specialize in one particular area, the better chance you will have at becoming a successful trader. So nobody's looking to push hard. You're not going to turn up and all of a sudden be assaulted by exhibitors trying to sell all sorts of different products at this show. This is an event based around our quarterly round-the-clock webinar events, an opportunity for us to get together face to face. You're not going to find property companies there. We don't look at property at all. In the event, we're looking at the financial markets. We're not looking for people to invest into IPOs or ICOs or anything of that nature. And we won't be giving you any personalised financial advice either, of course, because we would need to be regulated and do a sit down with you and understand all these different things, which we don't offer these services. What we do offer you, however, is good quality education, and that is the best tool that we can give you to go out into the markets and be a successful trader. So you'll find lots of fantastic presenters giving fantastic education throughout the day. You need to understand what it is that you want to learn and pick out the different seminars on the day, pick out the speakers that you feel will give you the best chance. It's a very friendly atmosphere. One of the things that I've enjoyed about the shows, the last few shows that we've done, is the atmosphere is tremendously friendly. Everybody understands why everybody else is there. So you all have the same goal. You're all looking to find the latest and best opportunities and understand the best services. I think you'll find a very friendly reception from everybody attending. Most of the exhibitors will be from, well, they will be from the trading world. We will have brokers there, software providers, educating companies, clubs, book companies, anybody that can offer you a help or a service to be a better trader will be there in the exhibition hall. When you can test out the latest products, have a look at all the different apps that are coming to the market now for traders. You'll have the chance to mingle with the speakers, of course, meet speakers that you may have only heard of on the webinars. Now's your chance to shake their hand and just say hello and tell them your story as well. We want you to leave with a solid roadmap for your own trading. At the end of the day, we want you to come along and be educated, and by the end of the day have a better idea of what it is you're going to be doing on Monday morning when the market's open, to be in a good position to realistically achieve your realistic goals and targets as a trader. Seminar rooms, of course, we try to keep them small. Normally 30 to 40 people in each of these seminars, so we're not talking about arenas, we're not talking about 1,000 people in a huge drafty conference hall, quite intimate events that will be taking place. So you will have a good opportunity to have back and forth with the speaker, put your hand up and say, hang on, I don't understand what you just said, let's go back and recap. So small, I'd like to call them workshops as opposed to seminars, but the essence being that we are small enough that you can get good value from these events. There we are. Rishi and Taru from Master of the Markets, one of our supporters at the event, at the last event, having a great time. Big thumbs up there, which was great. You'll have the chance to meet them as well. And I think it's this face-to-face opportunity that Round the Clock Trader Live is so valuable for. And of course, bring the children. This is my two, Eva and Harry, helping to set up the registration desks at the last event. So important that being a Saturday, if you've got children, please do bring them along. We never have enough children there. It's important they know what daddy or mummy is doing on the computer. And I don't think it's ever too early for them to understand how the money is made, and a good understanding of it will set them in good stead for the future. Celebrity speakers, this is my friend Alpesh Patel. You've probably heard of Alpesh if you've been on our events previously. Hedge fund manager, BBC Breakfast Business News guest frequently, as of course a trading author and commentator. So Alpesh and other semi-celebrities will be there where you can meet them face to face. So you can book your ticket now. There's 2 levels of tickets. Free entry for tickets if you want to come along to the seminars and the exhibition hall. You'll get a delegate pack and you'll also get some discounts from all the exhibitors there just for being an attendee. If you want to buy a VIP ticket, you will get access to the premium workshops, which are very much a series of slightly more detailed workshops. They're slightly longer and they have a smaller number of attendees, and the speakers are invited particularly by myself as opposed to some other speakers who are going to be there for their own benefits, of course. So you will get a slightly less sales led presentation in the VIP room. You'll also have access to teas and coffees throughout the day. You'll have a buffet lunch available to you. You'll have access to the speakers lounge, so you can hang out with all the speakers in between the different seminars and be able to gain even more knowledge from them. So £75 for that VIP treatment, free ticket to others who simply want to come along and pop your head in. So we look forward to welcome you on the day. Visit the website roundtheclocktraders.com to book up your tickets, and I look forward to seeing you.